Hi there, in this how-to video we're going to be putting on a Gallagher insulator adapter to a cordless post stapler. Alright, first of all we need to take off this nose piece and replace it. So we take off this clip and that should just pop off like so. And we grab the insulator adapter, which slides in the groove and pops in. And we put the clip in there, like so. Alright, sweet. Now that we've got our tip on, we're going to load it up. Fasteners in, gas in, battery in, PPE on. That goes on like that. Top, and we have bottom down. Cheers, thanks for watching this how to install your Gallagher insulator adapter to our cordless post stapler. I hope you find it helpful.